what's going down, YouTube? We're gonna go down here at Second Saturday Art Walk down in the Midtown area, Sacramento, California. Let's see what happens. We're gonna be walking around. There's supposed to be galleries open. There's supposed to be music on the streets, vendors and stuff like that. So I've been to a couple in the past, but that was a long time ago. It may be a little bit different. We're gonna see what it's all about. It's kind of getting dark. You know, we'll see how this plays out. Hope you enjoy. See you on the video. 2-hour parking from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Well, what time is it?
I don't know. I'm recording.
All right, let me check my phone. You recording? 7:45.
We good. We golden. It's not a bad spot. We don't have to walk too far.
Seaweed snacks at night. Just digging through these colors right now. About to rock some, you know, you're a star type stuff on one of these sidewalks. You know, see what's cracking.
Your little trademark star.
They ain't a trademark yet, but don't steal my shit. That's chalk bobbing, son. Hey, I didn't know we were coming downtown to a damn rave. Where's the art at? You know what I'm saying? I feel like I need to be on something to be out here. Well, we're just gonna try to find some art places. Second Saturday Art Walk with no art. That's a lot of talk. Check it out. I'm about to ask this fine establishment that's selling spirits and the best ales. I don't know if they're the best ales, but I'm gonna ask them if I could rock something out here outside of their nice place. Let's see what's going down. Down to the bone in your hand. You're a star, man. Check it out. You gotta get your hands clean. Even if it's outdoors on a little plastic thing in the middle of nowhere where you're stomping on that stuff and you just scrub your hands and then you keep it clean.
I thought you were dancing.
Oh, I didn't have the silent headphones, man. I would have put it on. I would have discoed my ass over there and just scrub-a-dub-dub, you know. I want to hear what these fools are listening to. I mean, this girl right here, she's playing the jam. You never know. Might be a sub. Thanks a lot, man. Thank you. Doing what you're doing. All right, thanks, brother. right, check it out. We just got done with second Saturday. I'd say it's kind of a win. You know, we rocked a couple pieces down on the sidewalk, got the name out, saw what Sacramento had to offer, showing you what it has to offer. Hopefully on the next one, we'll get some live painting and check it out.
Evade all day. We evaded. I can have this, right?
Hey, thank you. Yeah, you can have it.
Evade all day.
Check it out if you guys get a chance.
Evade all day.
Evade all day.
Sure.
We'll check you out.
Hey, for sure. Thank you. I appreciate
will.
it. Hey, you gotta pass them out. You gotta see what it's about. You know what I mean? She's feeling it. Evade all day. You know what I'm saying? That's how you get down. Take that sticker quicker.